Welcome back to another video, guys. No long intro today. Real short, quick. Filling that in. Getting it all done today. The corner on the other side to finish, and steps. Get that done, then I can create some kind of gate, something there for the access to the pool pump. And that's it. Let me get my hat, because y'all know, stay salty, and jump up here, get things done. All right, my people, I think I'm really exhausted. About 4 breaks in the past 40 minutes. As you can see, I even put a tent up. Brought the chair out so I don't have to leave and go on the patio. I can just stay here. I don't think I'm coming down with anything, but I'm just tired, seriously. Past 2 months wore me out. I'm making progress anyway. About 8 pieces to put in over here. And then about 5 pieces, a triangular section. I'm going to worry about the fascia piece. You can't see it from here, facing the pool. I'm going to worry about that at a later date. Also, a little trap door, if you want to call it that, to go down towards the pump. That'll be done at a later date too, because I am worn. But nobody else is going to do this but me, so I got to get it done. Back to work.
Make prolific confessions into the master plan. I feel like they will never let me shine. What do you need to say that feels so grand? Why is yours so much better than mine? I gotta wait in line for you to feel me. I got to hold my time for your healing. I got to take a back seat. Are you kidding? I got to grab my chance because it's fleeting. Cause this just feels like yesterday.
I'm gonna try something and see if it works. It might seem lazy to y'all, but I'm gonna try. Screws. Yeah. Only if. Enough. Let's see if it works. Alright, hopefully I can take the next 30 minutes and knock that corner out, get that done, and then I can go to the steps, then concentrate on start getting the railings ready. Well, that side is 99.2% done. 0.008% is putting the 4x4 in with the base at the bottom in order to run the rails. Now, steps. Should be pretty easy. Should be. But in my world, y'all know how things go. Let's go do these damn steps. So I can actually, pretty much half done. Thinking just put on a board, screw it down, cut it, put it on, cut it, and just get it over with. So right before I got to the last one, the phone shut off because it was overheating. One more, half a step to do. I'm gonna go ahead and dig the hole for the bottom post for the rail for the steps today. Probably place it tomorrow, and then I can see about getting the handrail done for the steps. And then I have this piece that I messed up to fix in there, and also over here. Like I said in the beginning, this deck was not squared because I went off of the fence, and the fence isn't squared, but the everything matches up. The joists are square on the inside. Everything is just the outer portion that's messed up. The sun is taking a little break, and so will I. I'm gonna go re-up, and I'll come back out and finish all these deck boards. So all these deck boards are done. All I gotta worry about is the ridge, and you guys can get a finished product, and I can put a nail in it because this is Nailed It Projects. Ah! Turbulence? Yes. You want to see turbulence? There's your turbulence. That's good. Alright, there you have it. I finally got in the pool. Happy Labor Day to y'all. Happy Labor Day. Hey, a lot of progress been made this morning. Much because everybody and their grandma was out here. And I mean literally everybody and their grandma was out here. So anyway, first railing put up and handrail for the stairs and the landing is done. However, I'm gonna need more boards to finish this side for the railing and also this side. I'm gonna need 2 more lengths of decking board. That's what I use to make the railing, and it's coming along nicely. I'm gonna cover the pool sometime during the week and go ahead and cut those pieces on the other side. Get that done. Matter of fact, you know what? I might cover it today. But all the space to enjoy alone, and this breeze, this nice breeze is blowing. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry off because my pants still wet, and then get back to work.